Good evening, students. Online students, good evening. Am I audible? So what we will do first, we will cover number ranking. After that, I will take doubt of calendar topic in the doubt session. Okay. So today doubt session, I will take doubt of your calendar. No, Arvind, clock topic is not over. Faulty clock we will do after 1 month. Fine. Okay. So first we will see the basic idea related to number ranking, like formula. And what we will do in number ranking, we use only one formula, that is ranking from starting plus ranking from last is equal to total number plus 1. Even in my coding decoding class, I have taken one question where I brief you about this formula. Don't forget this plus 1. And we have only one formula. In this topic, there is only one formula. See, there are some topic where we have only single formula. ठीक है, उसमें multiple formulas नहीं है. Same thing, it can be top and bottom. You can see the ranking top to bottom. So here we have formula ranking from top plus ranking from bottom is equal to total number plus 1. It can be left and right. Ranking from left plus ranking from right is equal to total number plus 1. It can be left right. Like in a row, there are 50 probationers, okay, in your academy, and you are the 11th from the left side. We have to find your ranking from the right side. It can be top and bottom. It can be starting and last. So I repeat, we have only one formula, that is ranking from starting plus ranking from last is equal to total number plus 1. Ranking from top plus ranking from bottom is equal to total number plus 1. Ranking from left plus ranking from right is equal to total number plus 1. Okay. So now what we will do, we will do starting some basic question. Then we will do some miscellaneous question. Okay. So here you got this handout. Question number 1. Question number 1 here is Rajiv ranked 15 from the top and 48 from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in the class? So here ranking from top plus ranking from bottom is equal to total number plus 1. Rajiv ranked 15 from the top. And here 48 from the bottom. Total number we take x plus 1. We have to solve for x. So now here, what is this? 15 plus 43, 63. 15 plus 48 is equal to 63. X plus 1, we take 1 this side. So x is equal to 63 minus 1. X is equal to 62. Okay. Ranking from the top plus ranking from the bottom is equal to total number plus 1. 2, 3 we will do later. Question number 4. Arun ranked 14 from the top and 26 from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in class? First you try this question, question number 4. उसको भेजना देखना, जिसको हैंड आउट नहीं मिला दे देंगे. सबको हैंड आउट मिल गया? All of you got the handout? You have not got the handout. एक तो इनको नहीं मिला. So here Arun ranked 14 from the top, 26 from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in the class? So this is ranking from top plus ranking from bottom is equal to total number plus 1. Arun ranked 14 from the top, 26 from the bottom. So we will solve for total number. So this is 40 minus 1. X is equal to 39. So total here is 39 we have. Fine. All of you. Question number 5. Mohan is 7 from the right hand in a row of 50 boys. What is his position from the left hand? So we use the formula ranking from left plus ranking from right is equal to total number plus 1. Mohan is 7 from the right hand. From left hand we assume X. How many total boys are there? 50. So it is 50 plus 1. So X plus 7 is equal to 50 plus 1. So it is X plus 7, 51. So what is X? 51 minus 7, 44. Fine. So we can use this formula and we get our answer directly. Fine. Any doubt? Now here, this is one idea. Second idea is, let us work on the direction part. Sometimes students, they get confused about left, right in the question. They ask me like, whose left? Your left or my left? Your left is in different direction. My left is in different direction. So here there are the topic like number ranking, direction sense and seating arrangement, where sometimes we have confusion about the direction. So let me take that part in detail about direction so that we will be comfortable. And second thing is, just have an image in your mind for number ranking. One thing which will help you, formula. And there is only one formula. Okay. Second thing is diagram based solution, which is very, very important for miscellaneous question. And third thing is, you have to be clear with the concept of direction, left, right mainly. Okay. Or maybe other direction part. Let me complete that. See here, earlier there was a pattern where only formula is sufficient. Then only this diagram based solution. But now in the last 3-4 years, our CSAT pattern is that you can't be selective. You have to be comfortable with formula also. You have to be comfortable with this diagram based solution, which I'm going to teach you. Then you will be able to handle. And I will say this number ranking topic is bonus mark. You get 2.5 bonus mark if like you understand the thing which I'm covering in the class. And not a rocket science, very easy thing. Let me teach you about direction. Like here in this question, Mohan is 7 from the right hand in a row of 50 boys. What is his position from the left hand? Student, they get confused about left, right. Okay, so what is important here? The things which I will cover right now, it will help you in number ranking. Same thing will help you for sitting arrangement. Same thing will help you for direction sense. Okay. What type of arrangement we have? We have one is called linear arrangement. Like in a row or in a queue. For example, after your selection, you are in your academy. Lal Bahadur Shastri, National Academy of Administration, Mussoorie. You are 50 probationer in a row, having glass in your hand. Okay. And you are the 11th from the left side. What is your ranking from the right side? That is a linear arrangement. Okay. And I tell you the story about that Labasna. Earlier, there used to be bar in the academy itself. Okay. Then our Prime Minister Saab visited that academy. Then what changes we have seen in the academy? That bar has been closed. Even in that police academy also, Hyderabad also. ठीक है, अपने प्राइम मिनिस्टर को लग रहा है किसी के जीवन में दुख है ही नहीं. And for a long time, like they have not reopened that bar. But last year someone told me like yes, they have reopened. So for you people, we have good news. If it has been reopened, ठीक है ना? और कौन करेगा? एक ही इंसान है, अकेला घूम रहा है जो, ठीक है. And even during COVID time, what happened? Like for IAS people and in some other service also, during your training, like there is a foreign attachment. Training period का एक foreign attachment होता है. COVID time, they stopped that foreign attachment because of COVID situation. Last year तक तो they have not restarted it. Maybe for you people, they will restart कि चलो IAS के लिए जो foreign attachment है वो होना चाहिए. So like point is, you are going to be like group photograph as a professional in academy, for president also, with prime minister also. So that is called a linear arrangement. We have two type of question in linear arrangement. One is simple, like this Mohan question. Mohan is 7 from the right hand, Mohan is 7 from the left hand. So you can directly say for the first language, you can take this line and you can take this is left hand, this is right hand. It is called direct diagram based solution. This is left, this is right. Mohan is 7 from the right hand. So you can take this is Mohan who is 7 from the right. Fine. I will tell you diagram based solution. Let me complete the direction part first. So here when there is a simple language, Mohan is 7 from the right hand, you can take a line, you can take it left, it is right. Direct. But the second thing is, which is important, which is like miscellaneous thing. Like for example, in a stadium, there are 50 players standing in a row. And how they are standing, like here, first one is facing north. Like for example, this is Rohit Sharma. Second one is facing south. Then next two are facing north. Then next two are facing south. Okay. This is Virat Kohli. This is Anushka Sharma. Okay. Like this. So here, Nita Ambani also. Her sports mein ghusi hui hai. Achha, tell me like what India is planning to have Olympic in 2036. We are planning to host that Olympic. Why these Ambani families, they are like pursuing this thing? Fayda Reliance ka, nuksan desh ka. The country, those who have conducted Olympics, that is like good thing. I'm not against that. But the infrastructure cost is too high. After that, it is in many of the country have seen burden on the revenue, and we are not able to utilize that infrastructure. That is a like wastage of the infrastructure. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलेगा गुजराती को, कोई गुजराती तो नहीं यहाँ पे होगा, लेकिन ऑनलाइन भी हो सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलेगा अंबानी को, पैसा जाएगा अंबानी के पास गवर्नमेंट अकाउंट से. अब वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कौन यूज करेगा बाद में? लाइक वी हैव टू क्रिएट ए ह्यूज इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फॉर ओलंपिक. Out of that, I think in future we will able to utilize 50% because of our population pressure. There are many countries they are able to utilize only 10% of that infrastructure. ऐसी कंट्री है जो मतलब लॉस में चली गई ओलंपिक के चक्कर में. That's why there are the many countries they don't want to host Olympic. कुछ countries ऐसे हैं जो ओलंपिक होस्ट नहीं करना चाह रहे हैं because of that infrastructure cost. Anyways, चलो टॉपिक में आते हैं. So here this is Rohit Sharma, this is like Virat Kohli and point here is in miscellaneous they mention the direction facing north, south like that. So like for example, this is facing north, this is facing south, then next two person are facing north, then next two person are facing south like that. Okay, you have to be careful here about the direction part. I tell you how come. Like for example, this is A here, this is B, C, D, E, F, and so on. Okay. The next three are facing north. It's like they will mention a statement, one facing north, one facing south, two facing north, two facing south, three facing north, three facing south, and so on. Okay. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So what is important here? Some students, what they do, they take this left, this right. No. It's like according to question, what you do when the direction is mentioned, you assume yourself as a part of question. आपने अपने आप को question का part मानना है. Like for example, you are D. For example, I'm D. So this arrow is my face. ठीक है? These are my hair like this. So you assume yourself कि you are facing like this. If I'm D, my left is this, my right is this. So where is E with respect to D? On the right side. If I'm D, E is on my right side. If I'm D, C is on my left side. So here what is important? Don't always take left of the paper left, right of the paper right. No, you are D, then accordingly you see what is left, what is right. Like for example, if I'm E, so my face is in the south direction, then it become my left, it become my right. Okay. I ask you 3-4 question, be careful. Okay. Who is immediate left of Mr. E? Take your time. Who is immediate left of E? Anyone getting D as an answer? So if your E, your face is in this direction, this is your left, so F is immediate left of Mr. E. Now my question. Who is immediate right of Mr. B? Online students, who is immediate right of Mr. B? So this is B here. So you assume yourself, don't take कि ये side left है, ये right है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. With respect to B, I'm asking the question. If your B, your face is in this direction, so it become your left, this become your right, तो B के right में होगा A. Or if you see D and E, like D face this side, this is right direction, so E is right of D. And if you are E, D is right of. So E and D are respectively right to each other. If I will say D and D are respectively right to each other, yes or no? I ask you 2-3 questions. Just wait. Now next here, this is G, H, I. You have to give answer yes or no, or correct or no. My question here is, Mr. G is second right of Mr. E. Mr. G is second right of Mr. E. If you are E, this is your left, first left, second left. And when this type of question given second left, second right, you have to start counting from the next place. If I'm E, F is my first left, G is my second left, H is my third left, I is my fourth left. तो जो G है E के left में है, right में नहीं है, because E face is in the south direction. E face is in this direction, so you assume yourself as E, then you take this arrow is your face, then take respectively left or right. This is left of E, first left, second left. So this statement is wrong. Mr. G is actually second left of Mr. E. Fine. Now next statement. Mr. B is second left of Mr. D. Check. Correct or wrong? Mr. B is second left of Mr. D. Online students. Correct or wrong? If you are D, your face is in this direction, so this is first left, second left. So this statement is correct. Yes, Mr. B is second left of Mr. D. Now one more question. Mr. D is second left of Mr. F. Mr. D is second left of Mr. F. Correct or wrong? Why? Because it is second right. F के right में D है. Okay. So what is important? If this is a simple language that Mohan is 7 from the right hand, so you can take a line, you can take it is left, it is right. But if it is mentioned facing north, south, better take arrow. And here you have to follow the instruction given in the question. You assume yourself as a part of question. Now here first is linear arrangement. Second is circular arrangement. Circular arrangement. In circular arrangement, what we can have, like there are 8 friends. They are sitting around the round table and they are facing the center. They mention the direction facing the center. So they are sitting like this. They are facing the center. Okay. So this is like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I will discuss the same thing when I will take, like here, seating arrangement. And what I'm planning after this number ranking, next week, Monday we have off because of Raksha Bandhan. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I will take topic from reasoning only, like blood relation, directions, and seating arrangement. Because after that, what I'm planning to take a session on PYQ of reasoning. तो reasoning के जितने भी PYQ है मैं एक ही क्लास में एक साथ डिस्कस कर दूंगा. So here, when I will discuss this seating arrangement with you, so what happened when I say facing center? There are 8 friends. Some students, what they do, they make a diagram like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because sometimes they mention A and E are sitting opposite to each other, but here no one is sitting opposite to each other. So this is wrong. You have to make diagrams such a way that these are equidistant. It's not like you can see in a restaurant there are 8 boys sitting like this, okay, facing the other view side. Okay, वो दीवार की साइड ऐसे बैठेंगे सामने देखने के लिए. You have to make a systematic diagram so that these people are equidistant. तो ये जैसे एक diagram हो गया. Okay. So here also it is mentioned facing center. So what I suggest, you assume yourself as a part of question. You take arrow is your face, then you see where is your left, where is your right. क्योंकि सी का लेफ्ट अलग डायरेक्शन में है और जी का लेफ्ट इज इन डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन. C and G, they don't follow the same direction. Okay, their left are different. C ka left is different, G ka left is different. Okay, I ask you 3-4 question. Be careful. My question to you, Mr. F is second left of Mr. D. Okay, check then say correct or wrong. Mr. F is second left of Mr. D. If you're D, your face is in this direction. So this is your left, this is your right, first left, second left. So this statement is correct. Mr. F is second left of Mr. D. Perfect. Now my next question. Mr. B is third left of Mr. G. Mr. B is third left of Mr. G. Check correct or wrong. So you assume yourself as a part of question G, first left, second left, third left. This statement is correct. Now one more statement. Mr. C is third left of Mr. F. Check correct or wrong. Mr. C is third left of Mr. F. Wrong, because it is right. First right, second right, third right. So this statement is wrong. So what is important when the direction is mentioned facing north, south, center? You take arrow. Arrow is your like face, and the respectively you take left, right. Second thing, for circular arrangement, it can be a round table conference where these people are sitting like that. They are facing opposite of center, like British people and Gandhi ji. Okay. Opposite of center. Why most of the round table conference they end up with any result, without result? Because when round table conference going on, actually people sit like this because of their ego. Okay. राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहने के लिए इस तरह फेस करके बैठे हैं, बट उनका माइंड अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में होता है, उस वजह से उनके रिजल्ट नहीं आ पाते. Anyways, our question is, this is a table where there 8 persons are sitting, and they are sitting in such a way they are facing up away from center, opposite from center. So you take arrow, you assume yourself as a part of question. It is A, it is B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Fine. I ask you 2 questions. Okay, all of you comfortable? क्योंकि एक दो ही की आवाज आ रही है और ऑनलाइन में 5-6 स्टूडेंट टाइप कर रहे हैं. You have to participate, all of you. Question here. Mr. C is second right of Mr. A. ठीक है, करेक्ट और रॉन्ग? False. This is Mr. A. Of Mr. A means with respect to Mr. A. This is first right, second right. So this statement is correct. Mr. C is second right, first right, second right. With respect to Mr. A or of Mr. A. Mr. A के second right में Mr. C है, correct है. Next statement. Mr. F is second right of Mr. H. Check correct or wrong. Mr. F is second right of Mr. H. You see, with respect to H, this is H. It is left or right? H का ये left है ना? First left, second left. So your answer has to be Mr. F is second left of Mr. H. So this is wrong. One more statement. Mr. E is second right of Mr. C. Mr. E is second right of Mr. C. This is C, first right, second right. So this is correct. Here also I take one miscellaneous where some people facing center, some people facing away from center. Like for example, there are 4 couples sitting around round table where husband are facing center and wife are facing away from center. I don't know the reason, but it's like Mr. A, Mrs. B, Mr. C, Mrs. D, Mr. E, Mrs. F, Mr. G, Mrs. H. I repeat. Okay. So here, if I say D and D, if I'm D, my face is like this, E is on my right side. If I'm E, D is on my right side. I give you a statement, just check correct or wrong. D and E are respectively right to each other. वो एक दूसरे के right side में बैठे हैं. D and E are respectively right to each other. D and E are respectively right to each other. Correct? D के right में E है, E के right में D. Now next statement. F is second left of D. F is second left of D. Correct or wrong? This is D. This side is right of D. First right, second right. So that's why it is wrong. F is second right of D, not second left. ये D का right है. अब D हो, आपका face इस तरफ है, and this side is your right, this side is your left. It's like for this type of question, it is not always left of the board, left of the paper, left, right of the paper, right. No, you take arrow, you put yourself in that question, that arrow is your face, then you see where is your left, where is your right, and accordingly you handle the question. Now one more question. B is third right of E. B is third right of E. Correct or wrong? Your E, this is your first right, second right, third right. So this statement is correct. So one arrangement is a linear arrangement. In linear arrangement, there can be a simple language that Mohan is 7 from the right hand. No problem. But if they mention some facing north, some facing south, then you take arrow. Then circular arrangement, facing center, away from center, or some people center, some people away from center. Then the next is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous in the sense polygon arrangement. It's like circular arrangement. There is a table which is hexagon shaped table. And there are 6 friends, they are facing center of the hexagon table. So nothing new, only the shape of the table is not a circular table, but it's like circular arrangement. Fine. Same thing we will follow. Now next is, I tell you how to handle question with a diagram solution. I take this question, Mohan wala question. Mohan is 7 from the right hand in a row of 50 boys. What is his position from the left hand? What is diagram based solution? You take a line. If it is left right, you take line like this. And you take this is left, this is right, because it is very simple language. And Mohan is 7 from the right. Can I say if Mohan is 7 from the right hand, it means there are 6 on the right side of Mohan? That's why Mohan is the 7th. Okay. So here you can say 6 on the right side of Mohan, or excluding Mohan 6, including Mohan 7. Total there are 50 boys. Out of that, these are 7, remaining 43. I asked this 7 to leave the class. Where you can expect remaining 43? Left side. How you arrange this? Mohan is 7 from the right hand. It means there are 6 on the right side of Mohan. So Mohan is the 7th one. Including Mohan, these are 7. Remaining 43 will be on left side. If there are 43 boys on my left side, what is my ranking from the left side? 44th. Because I'm after 43. क्योंकि मैं 43 लोगों के बाद हूं तो मेरी रैंकिंग 44th होगी. Or just wait, let me take this question number 4. Arun ranked 14 from the top and 26 from the bottom in a class. And how many students are there in the class? So what we will do, we take this line, this is diagram based solution which represent total student. And here Arun ranked 14 from the top. Can I say if Arun ranked 14 from the top, it means there are 13% above Arun? Like if you are second from the top, it means there is 1% above you in that ranking. If Arun is 14 from the top, it means there are 13 above Arun. And Arun is 26 from the bottom. If you will say Arun is 26 from the bottom, it means there will be 25 below Arun. Like for example, after 1 month, I will conduct one full length test for you. And I also give the same test. And my ranking is second from the bottom. अगर कोई आपका दोस्त बोले कि उसकी रैंकिंग सेकंड आई है, जस्ट कंफर्म. सेकंड रैंक दो तरफ से आती है, ऊपर से नीचे से. ठीक है. If my ranking is second from the bottom, it means there is one below me in ranking. If my ranking is third from the bottom, there are 2 below me. Okay. If my ranking is fourth from the bottom, it means there are 3% below me in the ranking. Similarly, if Arun is 26 from the bottom, it means there are 25% below Arun. That's why Arun is 26. Only mistake student they do, they count Arun twice. It gives you the total person. This is 13, then Arun, then 25. 13, Arun, 25. So you get total 39. Okay. Just try first question with the help of this diagram. Because let me tell you, this diagram based solution is very, very important for miscellaneous question. Rajiv ranked 15 from the top, 48 from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in the class? So you can say this is Rajiv, who is 15 from the top. It means there are 14 above Rajiv in the ranking. अगर राजीव की रैंकिंग 15 है तो राजीव से ऊपर 14 लोग होंगे. एंड राजीव इज 48 फ्रॉम द बॉटम. इट मींस देयर आर 47% बिलो राजीव. ठीक है. डोंट काउंट राजीव ट्वाइस. हाउ मेनी टोटल पर्सन विल बी देयर? 14 प्लस राजीव प्लस 47. 14 प्लस 1 15 प्लस 47 62 is your answer. This is diagram which shows all the student in the class, and here question is related to Rajiv. We get the answer. Like question number 2. Try with the help of diagram. Question number 2. Some boys are sitting in a row. A is sitting 15 from the left. B is 8 from the right. If there are 5 boys between A and B, how many boys are there in the row? Try to solve with diagram. Make a diagram where you take A, who is 15 from the left, B, who is 8 from the right, and there are 5 boys between A and B. How many boys are there in the तो अनुभव ठीक है ना 14 प्लस 47 प्लस राजीव को भी तो जोड़ोगे उस क्वेश्चन में. अच्छा अब इस क्वेश्चन में करना क्या है सम बॉयज आर सिटिंग इन अ रो ए इज सिटिंग 15 फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट दिस इज ए who is 15 from the left here is B who is 8 from the right there are 5 boys between A and B try to understand there is one thing if A is 15 from the left can I say there are 14 on the left side of A but excluding A I will tell this clearly excluding A these are 14 including A there are 15 it's up to you whether you want to include A or exclude. If exclude A 14, include A 15. Here, if B is 8 from the right side, can we say there will be 7 on the right side of B, excluding B? But if you include B, 8. B को अगर मिला लोगे तो 8 लोग हो जाएंगे. So it means 14, then A, because this 14 exclude A, then 5, then B, then 7. So 15 plus 5, 20, 21, 21 plus 7, 28. How many total boys are there in that row? 28. So this is our type 1, where we have done basic. We have learned about the formula. We have learned about how to use diagram. We have learned about the direction concept, left and right mainly. Sometimes you have to assume yourself as a part of question. You have to take arrow, then you have to take left and right accordingly, which I have explained in detail. Any doubt? Now I take 3-4 different type of question. Type 2 is favorite type. Has not been asked yet. Question is pending. There can be a direct question from type 2. Question number 6. This is one of the favorite question in number ranking. What is this question? In a queue, Asa is 15 from the front, Radhika is 20th from the behind, Yash is just in the middle of the two. If there are 60 people in the queue, what position does Yash occupy from the front? Okay. It's like A is 15th from the left, B is 20th from the behind, and C is just in middle of A and B. What is the position of C from the front or from the left or from the right? This type of question. Let me take question number 6, then I will dictate 2-3 similar questions based on this question number 6. What is question number 6? In a queue, Asa is 15 from the front. So this is Asa who is 15 from the front. So including Asa, these are 15 people, including Asa. Radhika who is 20th from the behind. So including Radhika 20, excluding Radhika 19. अगर राधिका को मिला लोगे तो यहाँ पे 20 total person. And there is Yash Maharaj, or you can say C Maharaj. अगर ये A B है तो ये C Maharaj है, who is exactly in the middle. And I call this question like C Maharaj type of question or Yash Maharaj type of questions. ठीक है? कैसे like might be you have seen there are person like सिरसा के एक बाबा जी हमारे, ठीक है, जिन्होंने मूवी भी बनाई थी OMG, ठीक है. And there are other persons also. They have aura. वो ऐसा ना बिल्कुल बीच में चलेंगे, 5 लेफ्ट में 5 राइट में, 10 लेफ्ट में 10 राइट में, like a शो स्टॉपर. जैसे फैशन शो चलता है ना, उसमें शो स्टॉपर होता है बिल्कुल सेंटर में, 10 here 10 here. So this C Maharaj or yes Maharaj is like that. We have exact number of person here, exact number of person here, exact middle of the two. This is this type, A, B and C just in middle of A and B. Then they ask what is the ranking of yes from the left or yes from the right, and total persons are given 60. There are total person given 60. I tell you how to handle. Step number 1, see the person who was outside the effect of yes Maharaj. मतलब जो लोग yes Maharaj के effect में नहीं है, 15 and 20. So 15 on this side including Asa, 20 on this side including Radhika. These are 35%. जिनका यस महाराज से कोई लेना देना नहीं, बिकॉज यस महाराज इज जस्ट इन मिडल ऑफ आशा एंड राधिका, इन मिडल ऑफ आशा एंड राधिका. नाउ यू फाइंड हाउ मेनी टोटल पर्सन्स आर देयर. दिस इज द मेन टास्क. आउट ऑफ टोटल 60, these are 35. So can we say remaining are 25? 60 minus 35, remaining are 25. So these are total 25 we have. 25. Some students, they do one common mistake. They divide 25 as 12 and half, 12 and half. वो भूल जाते हैं 25 include yes Maharaj also. Hey, महाराज है, भगवान नहीं है. This is one of the person out of 25. 24 लोगों को कैसे डिवाइड करोगे? These are 25 including yes. So it means if yes को हटा दो तो there are 24. How you divide? Can we say 12 this side, 12 this side? How you distribute this person, that is important, so that we can say yes is exactly middle of 2. We can say here we have 12 and here also we have 12. This is the point. आपको yes की पोजीशन निकालनी है. Total 60. I repeat, these are the person Asha and Radhika, and these persons are total 35. How many are between Asha and Radhika? Step number 2 is we have to find how many persons are there between Asha and Radhika. 25. Out of 25, 1 is yes. Remaining 24 you have to divide in such a way you get 12 this side, 12 this side, so that yes will be exactly middle of the two. Then it is asked what is the ranking of yes from the front or from the left. So we have to find ranking of yes from the left. These are 15 plus 12, 27. Can we say yes is after 27? So what is ranking of yes? 28 from the front, or you can say 28 from the left. Let me solve one more question for you. Let me solve one more question for you. I write on the board. Then I ask you one question to solve. In a queue, A is 7th from the left and B is 12th from the right. C is just in the middle of 2. If there are 60 people, what position does C occupy from the left? What position does C occupy from the left? That is asked. So I solve step by step. Total are given 60. So this is A, who is 7 from the left. This is B, who is 12 from the right. This is C, just middle of that. So you find how many are there including A, including B, 7 plus 12, 19. Step number 2 is important. How many are there between A and B? Total 60 minus 19, 41. It means there are total 41 persons are there between A and B. This is very important step for this question. And how you arrange this 41 so that C will be exactly middle? 1 of 41 is C. Remaining 40, how you arrange 40? 20 this side, 20 this side, so that C Maharaj is exactly in the middle. So it means we have 7, 20. After that C, what is the ranking of C? 7 plus 20. 27 के बाद क्या आएगा? 28. So ranking of C here is 28 from the left. 28 from the left I ask. Okay, Aditya. Now you try. I give you one more question. You try. In a queue, A is 11th from the left, B is 12th from the right, and C is just in the middle of two. If there are 50%, what position does C occupy from the left? What position does C occupy from the left? Twenty 4 or 5? 22? 25? A is 11th, B is 12th, C is exactly middle. 11 plus 12, 23. Total 50 minus 23. So remaining are 27 between A and B. How you arrange? 1 is C, bache 26, 13 here, 13 here. So what is C from the left? 11 plus 30, 24 ke baad. If there are 24 on my left side, what is my ranking? 25th. Because C is after 24%. So C will be 25th from the left. Are you getting the point? One more question. Quickly. I just changed the value, same thing. A is 21st from the left. B is 18th from the right. C is just in middle of two. If there are 70%, what position does C occupy from the right? I'm not asking from the left. This time I'm asking what is the position of C from the right. Hmm? From the right. This is A, which is 21 from the left. This is B, 18 from the right. So 21 plus 18, 39. 70 minus 39 बचे 31. So between A and B we have 31, which is C, one of them. So remaining are 15, 15. From the right side, these are 18, these are 15, 33. C is after 33. So what is ranking of C? 34. Okay, next we will do one more question, then I take type 3. Not related to type 2. ऐसे एक question number 7 है. Just try with the help of diagram so that we can practice. Question number 7 in our handout. Online students also, you can try this question. Question number 7 here is, in a row of girls facing north, Aruna is 16 from the left hand, Sunaina is 16 from the right hand, Babita, who is 4 to the right of Aruna, is 5th to the left of Sunaina in the row. How many girls are there in the row? Have time 2 minutes, solve step by step, try to find how many girls are there in the row. Those who are done, what is your answer? 40. I take this question. In a row of girls facing north. So we take this direction is north. So these are facing north. Aruna is 16 from the left. So it means there are 15 girls on left side of Aruna, including Aruna 16. Sunaina is 16 from the right hand. Here is Sunaina, who is 16 from the right hand. Next part is Babita, who is 4 to the right of Aruna. First right, second right, third right, fourth right is Babita herself. There are two different languages. If I will say Babita, who is 4 to the right of Aruna, is different from if I say between Aruna and Babita, there are 4 girls. If I say Babita, who is 4 to the right of Aruna, I start counting from the next place. First, second, third, fourth is Babita herself. 4 to the right of Aruna, first right, second right, third right, fourth तो बबीता खुद है. It means there are 3 girls between Aruna and Babita because the fourth one is Babita herself. Babita, who is 4 to the right of Aruna, comma, is 5th to the left of Sunaina. So Babita is 5th to the left of Sunaina as well. It means, can we say there are 4 girls between Sunaina and Babita? First, second, third, fourth, fifth is Babita herself. So now you can count here, including Aruna 16. Yeah, excluding Aruna, it's up to you. I take including Aruna 16 plus 3 plus Babita plus 4, including Sunaina here are 16. 16 plus 3, 19, 20, 24 plus 16, 40. How many total girls are there in the row in question number 7? Answer is 40. Next is type 3, which is very important. Last to last year they asked question based on this type 3 concept. I will discuss nearly 2-3 question and I take this type 3 in detail. First, let us practice question number 8. Take your time. I give you 2-minute time for this question number 8. It is really interesting question. 3% Amir, Salman, Shahrukh, not because of this 3 Khan, but because of a concept in this question. Okay. 3 Khan hai, Amir Khan, Salman Khan, Shahrukh Khan are standing in a queue facing same direction. There are 5% between Amir and Salman. There are 8% between Salman and Shahrukh. If there are 3% ahead of Shahrukh, 21 behind Amir, then what could be the minimum number of person in the queue? First you try, online students also, 2 minutes for this question. Twenty-nine, 28, 40, 40, 28, 40, 28, 26, 38, 40, Anji, 38. Okay, I take this question. 3% Amir, Salman, Shahrukh are standing in a queue facing same direction. There are 5% between Amir and Salman. Okay, so I take this is Amir Khan, this is Salman Khan. There are 5% between Amir and Salman. There are 8% between Salman and Shahrukh. They are facing same direction given in the bracket. 5 चीजें लिखी हैं between Amir and Salman 5, between Salman and Shahrukh 8. They are facing same direction. There are 3% ahead of Shahrukh. When they say there are 3% ahead of Shahrukh, it means exactly 3. You can't take less than 3, more than 3. If I say there are 3%, मेरे आगे 3 लोग हैं लाइन में, तो इसका मतलब exact 3 है. So you can't take Shahrukh Khan facing this direction because it is already more than 3. So better we can ask Shahrukh Khan to face this. So we can say there are 3% ahead of Shahrukh Khan. And if Shahrukh Khan is facing this direction, so Salman and Amir Khan also has to face this direction, because in bracket it is already mentioned facing same direction. And if I say this direction is ahead, so it will be behind. There are 21% behind Amir Khan. Fine. Now we will see. 21, 22 plus 20 plus 5, 27, 28, 36, 37 plus 3, 40. But this 40 is the maximum number of persons. 40 is maximum. You read last statement in the question, what could be the minimum number of persons in the queue? So we have to apply our mind. Minimum. Maximum 40 is correct. We have two answers for this question. Maximum 40. We have to find minimum. Like I give you example. This Amir Khan, Salman Khan, Shahrukh Khan, they want to host one party. But अभी उनका धंधा slow चल रहा है. एक दो movies की अच्छी चल गई. But अभी like they are not going well. So they have budget problem. They want to invite 5 common friends. They want to invite 8 common friends. What we will do so that we can invite minimum number of guests. तो इसमें करना क्या? If you take Amir Khan, Salman Khan, Shahrukh Khan, it give maximum. Second solution is you can take Amir Khan. There are 5 persons between Amir and Salman. Nowhere in this question it is mentioned Shahrukh Khan has to be on right side or left side. कहीं पे भी right left नहीं लिखा. Only the thing is mentioned कि सलमान और शाहरुख के बीच में 8 लोग होने चाहिए. There is no compulsion on you to take Shahrukh Khan this side. You can take Shahrukh Khan this side also. Means they decided, Shahrukh Khan ने बोला ये 5 तो मेरे friend भी है, तो try to make this 5 person common so that we can have minimum person. This is the concept. मतलब change the position. This is very important concept for minimum person. If you take Amir, Salman, Shahrukh, you get maximum. अगर शाहरुख खान इधर लोगे तो maximum है. Take Shahrukh Khan other side. I tell you how come. You take Amir Khan. There are 5 persons between Amir and Salman. There are 8 persons between Salman and Shahrukh. If you take Shahrukh Khan this side maximum, better try to make this 5 person common. Shahrukh Khan को उधर लेके जाओ. You need 8 person between Salman and Shahrukh. 5 is already there. 6th Amir Khan is also there. So you need only 2 extra person. उसने आमिर खान को भी इनवाइट कर लिया. ट्राई टू मेक आमिर खान ऑल्सो कॉमन. वो भी उनके बीच में तो है ना आमिर खान भी. 5, 6 plus 2, 8. Tell me any contradiction. Between Amir and Salman 5. Between Salman and Shahrukh 8. Yes, 8. 5, 2, 1. Then there are 3 person. There are 3 person ahead of Shahrukh. So you take 3 person ahead of Shahrukh. There are 21 behind Amir Khan. There are 21 behind Amir Khan. We make this 5 person again common. Will help. I repeat, what you do, you take 3 person. This is Shahrukh Khan, 2 Amir Khan. These are 5 and 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Chalo 5. Salman Khan. Total has to be 21. तो बच गए 50. It depends on the position of Shahrukh Khan. If you take Shahrukh Khan here, maximum. इफ यू टेक शाहरुख खान दिस साइड मिनिमम, शाहरुख खान की पोजीशन बदल दो, आंसर आ जाएगा. आई रिपीट, बिटवीन आमिर एंड सलमान 5. If you take शाहरुख खान this side maximum, try to make this 5% common. तो शाहरुख खान को इधर लेके आओ. 5, 6 plus 2, 8. There are 3% ahead of Shahrukh, 21 behind Amir Khan. 5 plus 1, 6, 15. Total 21 हो गए कि नहीं हो गए, चेक कर. आमिर खान के पीछे 21 लोग चाहिए टोटल. 5 और 1 6 तो ऑलरेडी थे, सिर्फ 15 एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए. Now you see 3, Shahrukh Khan 4, plus 2 6, 7, 7 plus 5 12, plus 1 13, 13 plus 15 28. I give you a shortcut also, but first you understand long cut. आपको ये डायग्राम समझना पड़ेगा. You have to decide. आकाश नायक, आपकी मर्जी है किस डायरेक्शन को हेड बिहाइंड लेंगे, बट यू कांट कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट विद द क्वेश्चन. दैट यू हैव टू डिसाइड. ठीक है. अब शाहरुख खान के आगे 3 लोग, अगर शाहरुख खान ऐसे लोगे तो ऑलरेडी 3 से ज्यादा है. तो इट मीन्स यू कैन मेक शाहरुख खान टू फेस दिस. तो वी कैन टेक दिस इज अहेड. इफ इट इज अहेड इट विल बी बिहाइंड, तो ये पीछे वाली डायरेक्शन बिहाइंड हो जाएगी. If it is ahead, so this is behind. So all these are behind. Similarly, question number 2. I tell you what can be asked. Question number 2 में we already solved, but I tell you extra concept in question number 2. Some boys are sitting in a row. A is sitting 15 from the left. B is 8 from the right. If there are 5 boys between A and B, how many boys are there in the row? There will be 2 answers, maximum, minimum. Maximum, we already done 28. I will explain again. So in this question number 2, we have to find maximum boys and we have to find minimum boys in the row. Question number 2 again, but here अब उसको अलग लेवल से सोचना है कि क्या हो सकता है. For maximum, it is very simple. We already done. You can say simply A is 15 from the left, B is 8 from the right. There are 5 between A and B. So 15 including A plus 5. This is 8 including B. So it is 28. Total 28 maximum. अच्छा, वो वाला क्वेश्चन अभी भी समझ में नहीं आया. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन अगेन. सी हियर 3 शाहरुख खान, 2 आमिर खान, 5 सलमान खान, 50. क्योंकि बिहाइंड आमिर खान टोटल आई नीड 21. 5 और 1 6 ऑलरेडी थे. 21 minus 6 आई नीड 15. तो आई अरेंज 15%. ठीक है. बिहाइंड आमिर खान, लाइक देर इज दीपिका पादुकोण, देर इज प्रियंका चोपड़ा, वो दंगल वाली हीरोइन. ठीक है. सलमान खान, अमिताभ बच्चन. ठीक है. तो ये सब इनके पीछे लगा दिया हमने, इंक्लूडिंग सलमान खान ऑल्सो. तो यू कैन मेक देयर पोजिशन सच दैट सलमान खान इज ऑल्सो बिहाइंड आमिर खान, सो दैट वी नीड मिनिमम पर्सन. मिनिमम के लिए दिमाग लगाना है, मैक्सिमम के लिए दिमाग नहीं लगता, मिनिमम के लिए दिमाग लगता है. तो यहां पे भी A is 15 from the left, B is 8 from the right. There are 5 persons between A and B. What are the maximum? 15 including A, 5, 8 including B. So it is 28. But it is maximum. Maximum 28. For minimum, what you have to do, nowhere it is mentioned B has to be on right side. B को उधर ले जाओ. How come I tell you? See here, A is 15 from the left. If you take B here, maximum. You take B here, who is 8 from the right. B को इधर लो कि ताकि 8 from the right हो जाए. Let me explain. If B is 8 from the right, it means there should be 7 person on the right side of B, and 5 is already there. Sixth one is A. How many extra you need? You need only one extra. Check any contradiction. A is 15 from the left, B is 8 from the right. कैसे? 5 ये ऑलरेडी थे, छठा A, एक और बंदा एक्स्ट्रा ऐड कर. B is 8 मतलब there will be 7 on the right side of B. 7 में से 6 लोग तो ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल हैं, 5 दिए हुए हैं, छठा A. 5 is already there between A and B. 6th one is A. We need only one extra person. So what are the minimum? 15 plus 1, 16. This is 15 and one extra 16. So in this question number 2, what are the maximum? 28. What are minimum? 16. 16, not 17. No. Is this point clear? If we take this A, this B, this give maximum. To get minimum, you have to take A, you have to take B here, that give minimum. Is this clear? I explain. A is 15 from the left. B is 8 from the right, right here. If B is 8 from the right, it means there are 7 on the right side of B. I take B here. According to question, between A and B, how many persons are there? 5. 6th one is A. How many extra person you need? 1 extra. I will call it as X. Extra person. Now how many persons are there? 15. 1 extra. 16. So your answer is 16 minimum. Maximum 28, minimum 16. Yes, Sangeeta, I can explain again. But पहले ये तो समझ लो. If it is A, these are 5%, B, this give you maximum. क्योंकि सीधा सीधा है. A 5, B फिर और दिमाग लगा ही नहीं. मिनिमम कब होगा? जब B को उधर लेके आओ. If you change the position of B, then we get minimum. Why? Because you make this 5% common. That will help you to minimize the person. So what you do? A 15, B here, which is 8 from the right. If B is 8 from the right, it means there are 7 persons on the right side of excluding B. Already between A and B 5. 6th one is A. You need 1 extra person, X. You make this diagram. So how many persons are there? If you see, इसको B को भूल जाओ. If you see 15, 1 extra 16. ये तो just helped you. Now for total counting, it will not affect your total counting. Including a 15, 1 extra 16. This is diagram which will help you in exam. You should know how to make diagram. But I give you a shortcut. What is shortcut for this interchange of position is, you write minimum is equal to maximum minus twice of common plus 1. Common person. What are common person? The persons which we are making common again and again to minimize the number of persons. जो ये ए और बी के बीच में 5 लोग थे वो है ये द पर्सन्स विच वी आर मेकिंग कॉमन टू मिनिमाइज द पर्सन। अब इस क्वेश्चन में कितना था, मैक्सिमम था 28 -2 5 + 28 -2 × 6 28 - 12 16। But maximum you have to find. Let me give you 2 questions. Your choice. If you want to use formula, okay, but you have to be comfortable with diagram. I give you both the solutions so that all of you will be comfortable. Online students, just give me 5 more minutes, you will be comfortable. A is 21st from the left. B is 10th from the right. If there are 7 boys between A and B, A is 21st from the left, B is 10th from the right. If there are 7 boys between A and B, find maximum boys in the row and minimum boys in the row. You have to find both the answer, maximum and minimum. बिल्कुल होंगे, आज कैलेंडर के डाउट होंगे, क्यों नहीं होंगे। सी मैक्सिमम के लिए लाइक दिस इज ए हु इज 21st फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट, दिस इज बी हु इज 10th फ्रॉम द राइट 7। इसमें मैक्सिमम भी बिल्कुल सिंपल है, 21 + 7 + 10, यू ऐड दिस, इनको ऐड कर दो बस, 21 + 10 + 7, so it is 38. For finding minimum, shortcut 38 - 2. What are the common persons? 7 boys. 7 + 1. This is 38 - 2 × 8. 38 - 16, 22. Maximum 38, minimum 22. Fine. I tell you diagram so that in exam, if you are not able to recall this shortcut, better remember it. But if you are not able to recall, you will manage the question. First, you take A, who is 21st from the left. ठीक है, B you take here, minimum के लिए, maximum is okay. B here. What is B? 10th from the right. It means we need 9% on the right side of B. 7 is already there. And the 8th one is A. You need 1 extra. I need total 9. 7, 8, 9. So that B will be 10th. So 21 plus 1, 22. What are minimum? 22. B को भूल जाओ. 21 plus 1, 22. You try one more question. A is 21st. अभी 21st लिया ना. A is 31st from the left. B is 16th from the right. If there are 9 boys between A and B, find maximum number of boys and find minimum number of boys. Maximum minus 2 in bracket common plus 1. That is the shortcut for that. Yes, I will explain. Paul, I will explain. There is a good doubt कि सलमान शाहरुख और उसमें कैसे लगेगा. दो लोगों में तो it's easy. When there are 2 person A and B, तो to find common number of person is easy. Shortcut के लिए. 3 लोगों में क्या करना? Done. Maximum. Minimum. क्या है? दो लोगों में, 3 लोगों में दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. What are maximum? A is 31st from the left. There are 9 between A and B is 16 from the right. 31 plus 9, 40 plus 16, 56. Maximum 56. For minimum, there is a shortcut. Maximum minus twice of common person plus 1. When there are 2 person A and B, common is easy. There are 9 between A and B, so these 9 are going to be common person. So it is 56 minus 2, 9 plus 1. $56 minus 2 into 10, 56 minus 20, 36. Okay, is this clear? Now here the point is, there are 5 persons between Amir and Salman. There are 8 persons between Salman and Shahrukh. Okay. So here, what is important? Whose position you are changing? Amir Khan or Shahrukh Khan? We are changing Shahrukh Khan position. So we are making this 5 person common. This 5 will be common. For a 3 people, Amir, Salman, Shahrukh, make diagram. Try to find what are common. 5 are going to be common. तो इसमें आंसर बन जाएगा 40 minus twice common plus 1, 40 minus 2, 5 plus 1, 40 minus 2 into 6, 40 minus 12, 28. You have to be careful. You have to make a rough diagram. तो इस तरीके में पहले डायग्राम बनाओ. अच्छा, आई रिपीट मिनिमम बाय लाइन बाय डायग्राम फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. इसको मैं डायग्राम से भी बताता हूं. फर्स्ट मैक्सिमम A is 31st from the left. This is A, 31 from the left. This is B, 16 from the right. These are 9 between A and B. 31 plus 9 plus 16, 56. For minimum, you have to change the position of B. This is A, 31. B you take here, which is 16 from the right. So if B is 16 from the right, how many person will be there on right side of B? 15. So there should be 15 on the right of B. B के right में 15 होने चाहिए. So there should be 15 on the right of B. There should be 15 on the right of B. 9 is already there. 10th one is A. So out of 15, 9 and 10th one is there. How many extra you need? You need 5 extra. अब इसको भूल जाओ. So A is 31st. 31 are already there. 5 extra. 31 plus 5. You need minimum 36. Other than this, how many extra you have to arrange? You have to arrange 5 extra plus. क्योंकि B के इधर 15 लोग चाहिए थे, 9 और 10 तो ऑलरेडी है A को मिला के. You need 5 extra. तो 31 plus 5, 36 is minimum. Okay. Now next is question number 9. You can try yourself. Let me discuss 10 and 11. 10 is very, very important because it is a statement based question. Although we have not started our statement based question, so today I start with this statement based question. Last year I was having idea they give question where there are 2 statement, 3 statement, more statement, but no. So I think 2 or maximum 3 statement is the idea, and we are very good in 2 statement questions. We can easily manage. Don't worry about that. We have done good work on the 2 statement wala questions. I tell you how to handle 2 statement wala questions. And it is data sufficiency. How many of you have seen one old movie, Sole? 50 years back, like it has been released. Okay. How many of you have not seen Sole movie? Okay. Sole. Amitabh Bachchan, Dharmender wali. Online students, how many of you don't have idea about that movie? If you have seen that movie, wonderful. Will help you to handle this question. I will use that idea. But if you have not seen, kindly check the script of that movie. I just brief you. A small idea about that movie is, in that movie there are 2 heroes. One is Amitabh Bachchan, other is Dharmender. The name is like Jai Veeru. Jai Veeru. These are 2 heroes in that movie, and there is one villain in that movie, Gabbar. Might be heard. Okay? So Gabbar is like our question. Jai is like our statement number 1. Veeru is like our statement number 2. Okay? We have to handle the question. So what we will do, we ask Jai alone first. हम पहले Jai को अकेला भेजेंगे. What option you have? You find key statement 1 alone, yes, has defeated the Gabbar or may be able to solve the question or maybe no. ये 2 option होंगे. you are able to handle the question with the help of statement 1 alone or maybe not. Okay, and I tell you, if J alone has defeated Gabbar, means statement 1 alone is sufficient to handle the question, still you have to give chance to Viru. Otherwise Viru will throughout the life will say Gabbar to मैं एक उंगली से हरा देता. Might be you can see some of your friends, those who are not preparing for UPSC, but most of the time you find these people are saying UPSC तो मैं एक ही अटेम्प्ट में क्रैक कर लूं और पहली रैंक के साथ. उनका फॉर्म आपने भरना है. You fill their form. You will find in your friend circle there may be some friend, यार UPSC भी कोई एग्जाम होता है, ये तो ऐसे ही क्रैक हो जाता है. So we have to give them chance. You have to fill their form. You have to give chance to Viru. So you have to give chance to second statement. Here also you have two possibility. Maybe Viru alone able to handle the Gabbar or not. So we have three possibility here. Statement 1 alone is sufficient, whereas statement 2 alone is not sufficient. पता चला जय ने हरा दिया, वीरू हार के आ गया. ये हो सकता है statement 2 alone sufficient, वीरू ने हरा दिया, जय हार के आ गया. और मे बी स्टेटमेंट 1 alone and 2 alone, जय भी हरा के आ गया, वीरू भी हरा के आ गया. These are the possibilities. But there is a case where Jay bhi haar gaya, Viru bhi haar gaya. Means statement 1 alone is not sufficient. Even the statement 2 alone is not sufficient. In that case, we will send these two people as a team. फिर हम एक last option use करते हैं. We make a team of Jay plus Viru. We use both statement together. If we find Jay alone get defeated, Viru alone get defeated, हम दोनों को एक साथ भेजेंगे. Then you will have two options. Statement 1 and 2 together may be able to defeat Gabbar or may be not able to defeat Gabbar. यहाँ पे 5 तरह के आंसर ऑप्शंस होते हैं. Statement 1 alone sufficient, whereas 2 alone is not sufficient. Statement 2 alone sufficient, whereas statement 1 alone is not sufficient. Statement 1, either statement 1 alone, statement 1 alone, or even statement 2 alone sufficient. दोनों स्टेटमेंट अकेले सफिशिएंट है. फिर तीसरा ऑप्शन आता है, चौथा ऑप्शन, स्टेटमेंट 1 and 2 टुगेदर आर सफिशिएंट. और लास्ट ऑप्शन है स्टेटमेंट 1 and 2 टुगेदर आर ऑल्सो नॉट सफिशिएंट. मतलब दोनों मिलके भी ना हरा पाए. मतलब these statements are not at all sufficient to solve the question. Our UPSC pattern is 4 answer option. Out of this 5 answer option, you will find they pick 4 answer option and they frame the question. I tell you how to handle now, and I will take in detail. Those who have not seen that Sole movie, my request, just check the script of that movie or just have an idea in that movie, because what will happen when I will solve statement based questions na, especially of 2 statement question or even more than 2 statement questions also, I will name the character of that movie. I will help you to understand with the help of Jay, Viru, Gabbar, sometime Basanti also, if there are 3 statements. So better have an idea about that movie so that we can easily handle these questions. Let me brief those who have not seen. Jay and Viru are 2 heroes of that movie. Gabbar is question for us, or villain of that movie. Gabbar जो है उस मूवी का खलनायक है. And I will say that is like a classic movie. मतलब उससे बेहतरीन मूवी, मतलब there are rare movies. 50 साल तक भी like that is a hit movie. Anyways, ठीक है, I'm not here to promote Bollywood, but idea is try to use that for our conceptual clarity. We can use that thing for our conceptual clarity. Or maybe any new movie where you have 2 hero, ठीक है, 1 or 2 heroine and 1 villain, तो उसका use कर सकते हो. Okay, question number 10. Fine. Consider the 2 statement and a question. First statement, Pankaj is 5 rank below Suraj and is 31st from the top. Robin is 6 rank above Suraj and 31st from the bottom. Question is, what is Suraj's rank from the bottom in the class of 50 students? Then this is given. Before I take this question, I tell you one more thing. I tell you one more concept. We as a human being, we have two type of desire. One type of desire where we are looking for a big number, 6 digit, 7 digit, 8 digits. And there are second type of options where we are looking for a lesser number. I tell you, for a big number, like maybe money, you might want 7 digit, 8 digit salary, 9 digit salary. पैसा सबको ज्यादा चाहिए. Number of car, ठीक है, number of houses, for some number of partner. Small में क्या आता है? Do you want a big rank in UPSC? Do you want a 6 digit rank? No ना. यहाँ क्या चाहिए हमें? 1 चाहिए. यहाँ छोटा नंबर चाहिए. We need the smallest number. Here biggest is the better. Here smallest is the best or better. Okay. So here in case of rank, it is totally opposite. If I say in one of the tests my ranking is 31st in a class of 100 students and I work hard. In the second test, I improve my ranking by 10. I improve my ranking by 10. It doesn't mean my new ranking will be 41. It means my ranking will be 21st. My ranking will be better. I improve my ranking. तो मेरी रैंकिंग कम होगी, बढ़ेगी नहीं. If I say, like here, his ranking is 24. And I'm 2 ranking above. What's your name? Sriyans. My ranking is 2 ranking above Sriyans. So my ranking will not be 26. My ranking will be 22nd. Because I have a better ranking than Sriyans. If I had 2 ranking above Sriyans. Or for example, Sriyans ranking is 24. My ranking is 4 ranking below Sriyans. Below here means my ranking will be 28 from the top. Are you getting the point of ranking? We are not looking for a big rank. We are looking for a small rank. Single digit rank, 2 digit rank. ठीक है, वही तो हमारा सपना है, मतलब हमें छोटी से छोटी रैंक. Fine. So now I start with the question. My idea is, when there is a question and 2 statement and it is a data sufficiency question, first you read question. पहले हमें गब्बर समझना है, तो पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है. What is Suraj rank from the bottom in the class of 50 students? It means in a class there are total 50 students. What is the ranking of Suraj from the bottom? Suraj की ranking क्या है bottom से? Now then what you have to do, you have to try to solve this question with the first statement alone. First statement alone. हम इसको पहली स्टेटमेंट से सोल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे. डोंट टेक एनी हेल्प फ्रॉम द सेकंड स्टेटमेंट. पंकज इज 5 रैंक बिलो सूरज एंड इज 31st फ्रॉम द टॉप. पंकज इज 31st फ्रॉम द टॉप and 5 rank below Suraj. Pankaj is 5 rank below Suraj and is 31st from the top. So Pankaj is 31st from the top and 5 rank below Suraj. So tell me, if Pankaj is 5 rank below Suraj, Suraj ranking will be better than Pankaj? Yes. So Suraj ranking will be 26 from the top. Suraj is 5 rank better than Pankaj. Pankaj is 5 rank below Suraj. So if Pankaj is 31st, Suraj is 26th. Can you tell me what is Suraj ranking from the bottom? Yes, because we have a formula, ranking from top plus ranking from bottom is equal to total number plus 1. Suraj is 26 from the top, from bottom we take x. How many total students are there? 50, because given in question already. So 26 plus x is equal to 51. So what is x? 51 minus 26, 25th. So it means Suraj is 25th from the bottom. So can we solve this question with the help of statement 1 alone? Yes. But as I suggested you, if you are able to solve question with statement 1 alone, you have to give chance to statement 2 also. Don't conclude. कभी भी ऐसा मत करना कि यहां पे आंसर कंक्लूड करने बैठ जाओ. You have to try this question with second statement. You have to give chance to second statement. You have to give chance to every participant. Actually, this is the concept in two statement based question. अब हमें दूसरी स्टेटमेंट को भी चांस देना पड़ेगा. Robin is 6 rank above Suraj and is 31st from the bottom. So Robin is 31st from the bottom. And Robin is 6 rank above Suraj. So it means Suraj will be below Robin. And there is a gap of 6. So Suraj will be 26 from the bottom. 31 minus, sorry, 25. 31 minus 6 is 25th from the bottom. My mistake. 25th from the bottom. Here I don't need total student also, क्योंकि ये bottom से ही ranking है. तो statement 2 alone is also sufficient. Statement 1 alone give answer that Suraj is 25th bottom. Even statement 2 alone is also sufficient to find that Suraj is 25th from the bottom. All of you agreed? Now we read answer option. Answer option A is statement 1 alone is not sufficient. Wrong. Answer option B is statement 2 alone is not sufficient. Answer option C is either statement 1 alone or statement 2 alone is sufficient. Answer option D is both statement 1 and 2 are required to answer the question. What you will mark? C or D? Correct answer here C. In the last year, in one of the batch, one student has discussed this thing with me in detail. Ask me why not D. I will explain so that you will not get confused. Here, correct answer is C, not D. In this particular question, because statement 1 alone is sufficient, even statement 2 alone is sufficient. Try to understand the situation. In your family, there are two representatives, you and your father, to attend function. If there is a function at your friend place, मान लो आपके दोस्त की शादी है, तो you alone is sufficient to represent. If there is a marriage at your father's friend place, so your father alone is sufficient. At your relative place, there may be some marriage where you alone or your father alone is sufficient. उन्होंने कार्ड भेजा, मुकेश अंबानी ने आपको कार्ड भेजा कि घर से एक ही मेंबर आएगा, या तो आप आ जाए या आपके फादर आ जाए. ठीक है, तो you alone sufficient or your father alone sufficient. In that case, if you both will decide to go to the party, mother ने तुरंत बोलना फ्लाइट महंगी है, एक ही जाओ. Why you both are going? But if there is a marriage at Bua place, your aunt place, your father sister place, and there is a compulsion that you both and entire family have to present there, both are required. Otherwise, फूफा जी नाराज हो जाएंगे. It means there is a compulsion, both are required. Then only we mark answer, both are required. See here, if there is a marriage, either you alone go or your father alone go, that is sufficient. There is no compulsion. Then only one is required. But if there is a compulsion, if in a question there is a compulsion, both together are required, then only we get the answer. Otherwise, we are not able to get the answer. Then we mark answer D. Otherwise, this C is the answer in this question. Whether we need both statement together, no. Statement 1 alone is sufficient. Even we have checked statement 2 alone is sufficient. We are not using both statement together. हम दोनों statement एक साथ मिला के नहीं use कर रहे हैं. When there is a compulsion, when we have to use both statement together, then we mark D. Otherwise, in this question, correct answer is C. इसका answer C है. यहाँ पे compulsion नहीं है. There is no element of compulsion that both you have to use both the statement, that you both have to represent in that, or you both have to be present in that family. Okay, fine. Quickly I take question number 11. टेस्ट आया हुआ है, 2 मिनट बाद दे देना. नहीं तो एक क्वेश्चन रह जाएगा. We will complete it, then we will have test. Question number 11. In the English alphabet, the first 5 letters are written in opposite order, and the next 5 letters are written in opposite order, and so on. Then which will be the 4th letter to the right of 13th letter? What is the meaning of this question? That first 5 letters are written in opposite order, like we have A, B, C, D, E. So we are not writing like A, B, C, D, E. We are writing like E, D, C, B, A in a reverse order. And even the next, J, I, H, G, F, and so on. First 5 letters are written in reverse order, next 5 letters are written in reverse order, and so on. We are writing in a reverse order. मतलब उल्टा लिख रहे हैं. आगे ये 5 ऐसे ही रिवर्स रिवर्स. First 5 reverse, next 5 reverse, next 5 reverse, next 5 reverse. Then what is our question? Which will be the 4th letter to the right of 13th letter? There are 2 steps. First, you have to find what position we are looking. 4th letter to the right of 13th letter. So this is the 13th letter. 4 to the right of 13 means 17th letter. 4 to the right of 13 means 17th letter. So step number 1 in this question, we are looking for the 17th letter. Okay. How you can solve this question? Method 1, long method, where you take first 5. मैं उल्टा लिखता हूँ. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So this is 5, 10, 15. This is 16, 17. What is the 17th there? S. So your answer here is S. We are looking for the 17th letter. So you write your A, B, C, D as mentioned in the question. So you will find S is the letter. Second method is same, but you can save your time. This is building number 1, building number 2, building number 3, building number 4. You are looking for the 17th letter. These are first 5 letters. Will you get 17th letter here? No. Will you get 17th letter here? No. Will you get 17th letter here? No. So you check only the 4th building where you have 6. P, Q, R, S, T. So your answer is S. या तो पूरा लिखो या सीधा 4th पे चले जाओ, क्योंकि आंसर तो यही मिलना है. 17th letter will be in the 4th building because it includes first 5, it includes 6 to 10, it includes 11 to 15, it includes 16 to 20. So 17th letter will be in this block. Either you can write all the blocks or you can just work on the 4th block here, which is going to give your answer. But better इसको उल्टा ऐसा लिखना है. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. What is the 17th? S. Okay. Now we will have test on this number ranking. Then I will give you answer key of number ranking. Then we will take doubt. अच्छा, next week timetable. Let me brief you about next week timetable. एक बार दया को भी भेज देना. Just ask दया. ऑफिस स्टाफ को एक बार बुलाना. Monday, some people they requested they want off, especially boys. ये वैलेंटाइन डे पे नहीं बोलते वो लोग. नेक्स्ट वीक की टाइम टेबल नोट करना. मंडे वी आर कीपिंग वन ऑफ फॉर यू. 3 दिन की छुट्टी मिल रही है आपको, लेकिन अपना होमवर्क कर लेना. सैटरडे, संडे, मंडे. जिसको घर जाना है घर होके आना. ठीक है. मंडे ऑफ बिकॉज ऑफ रक्षाबंधन. ट्यूसडे we will do blood relation. Acha, from next week onward, offline hybrid student, you can come for your offline classes. There is no issue. ठीक है. तो जो भी offline और हाइब्रिड है. वी विल कीप क्लासेस ऑन ऑनलाइन फॉर योर सेफ्टी पर्पस. तो हम आपको ऑनलाइन एक्सेस देते रहेंगे कुछ दिन और, ठीक है, फ्रॉम आवर साइड. ऑफलाइन वालों को हमने ऑनलाइन एक्सेस दिया हुआ है अभी फॉर द क्लासेस फॉर द टाइमिंग. वी विल कीप इट ऑन, but you can come to offline classes if you want. Wednesday we will do direction sense. So what you can do direction sense के लिए you can just work on right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem. स्कूल टाइम का कंसेप्ट है राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम पढ़ के आना. आई विल ब्रीफ यू बट बेटर इफ यू कैन रीड, दैट विल हेल्प यू. थर्सडे सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट. Friday, let's see some of the topic from this or maybe some extra topic. Saturday, or maybe Friday or Saturday, I brief you on Thursday. I will discuss previous year questions of reasoning. Not only 2011 to 2024, prior to 2011 also. ठीक है, ये टाइम टेबल रहेगा. एक काम करना, फ्राइडे और सैटरडे में ना PYQ डिस्कशन डाल देना एक बार, ठीक है, बाद में डिसाइड कर लेंगे. ग्रुप पे डाल देना इनके. यस तमन्ना, कैलेंडर 99% इज ओवर. और जिस सीसेट लेवल का हो गया, मतलब वट एवर वी नीड फॉर सीसेट लेवल दैट इज ओवर कैलेंडर. अदरवाइज कैलेंडर कितनी डेप्थ में पढ़ लो. यस, एट सेम प्लेस अर्पिता, एट सेम प्लेस. हाँ, नो प्रॉब्लम. मेरे से ही लेते रहना तुम, खुद मत करना कुछ होमवर्क. ठीक है, आई विल डिस्कस, डोंट वरी. रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चन है ही कितने. आई विल डिस्कस ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन. No, tomorrow there is no class. Tomorrow there is no class. Sunday there is no class. Monday next week there is no class. This is next week timetable. I will show you the test on the board. Take photo of this. ठीक है, जिसको टाइम टेबल चाहिए नेक्स्ट वीक का ये है. नाउ टेस्ट. Done. Just wait. Online students done. Okay, fine. I give the answer. Question number 1 answer is B. Question number 2 answer is C. Question number 3 answer B. Question number 4 answer A. Question number 5 answer B. Okay, done. Any doubt in this test first? 4. First, 1, 4. I take doubt of this test, then I take doubt of calendar handout if you have. Okay. 4, 1 and 4. Question number 1 here is, those who don't have any doubt in this test or calendar, you can leave the class if you want. What is Suman rank from the top in a class of 40 students? Suman rank from the top in a class of 40 students. Okay. This is a question like GS latest pattern question. Only one statement required, 2 statement required, 3 required, none of this. Suman is 3 rank below Deepak from the top. Statement number 1, Suman is 3 rank below Deepak from the top. Okay, where is Suman? 3 rank below from the Deepak. Where is Deepak? We don't know. Statement 1 alone is not sufficient. Deepak rank from the bottom is 23, but where is Suman in this statement? Third statement, so statement 1 alone is not sufficient. 2 statement together sufficient. You can use 1 and 2 together. How come? Deepak is rank is from the bottom is 23. So you know Deepak ranking from the bottom is 23. Suman is 3 rank below Deepak. So Suman here, who is 20th from the bottom. So what is Suman rank from the top in 40? You can use formula ranking from the top plus ranking from the bottom is equal to total number plus 1. The beauty of statement based question is just you have to find key you can solve the question yes or no. No need to find the answer. They are not asking what is Suman rank from the top. They are just asking can we find Suman ranking from the top? Yes, we can find if you use statement 1 and 2. Even you can find if you use statement number 2 and 3. It's your choice. In this question, statement 1 and 2 together are sufficient. Even statement 2 and 3 are also sufficient to solve the question. आप 2 और 3 यूज करके भी solve कर सकते हैं. Question number 4, 3 also, 2 also. बादाम खाया करो, सिर्फ मूंगफली मत खाया करो. मूंगफली में तेल अच्छा होता है लेकिन ठीक है. And I assume if you have paid fees here, तो बादाम खरीद सकते हो, ठीक है, कोई ना, धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा. In a queue, Amrita is 10th from the front, while Mukul is 25th from the behind. Mamta is just in middle of the two. If there are 50 people in the queue, what position does Mamta occupy from the front? This is exactly same type we have discussed in the class. This is Amrita, who is 10th from the front. Mukul, who is 25th from the behind. Mamta is exactly middle. So what you do, this is 10 and 25, total 35. Our task is to find how many are there between Amrita and Mukul. Total 50, 50 minus 35, there are 15, but out of 15, one is Mamta, 14, 7 here, 7 here. So what position does Mamta occupy from the front? 10 plus 7, 17. It is after 17. So if it is after 17, so the ranking of Mamta here is 18 from the front. क्योंकि 17 के बाद है. Next is question number 3. If Atul find he is 12th from the right in a line of boys and 4th from the left, how many boys should be added to the line such that there are 28 boys in the line? First you find how many boys are there. If Atul is 12th from the right and 4th from the left, so total number plus 1, 16, x plus 1, x is 50. So actually there are total 15 boys in the row. How many boys should be added so that there will be 28? So we have to add 13 more boys so that there will be 28. So how many boys should be added? 13 extra boys should be added to the line. Next, question number 4. Yes, this is new type. Okay, fine. If you have a doubt in question number 4, that is okay, because this type of question we have not discussed yet. In a row, Kumar is 7th place from the left, Pawan is 9th place from the right. When they interchange their position, Kumar become 11th from the left. How many were seated in the row? I tell you how to handle this question. Kumar, in a row, Kumar is 7th from the left. This is Kumar. Who is 7th from the left. Here is Pawan, who is 9th from the right. When they interchange their position, total number of chair will be same. Like this is a row. He is Kumar, he is Pawan. He is 7th from the left, he is 9th from the right. They interchange the position. If they interchange the position, means Kumar will be here at this chair. जिस चेयर पे पवन बैठा था, now the Kumar will sit, here Pawan will sit. When they interchange the position, Kumar become 11th from the left. So now Kumar position become 11th from the left. Don't focus on Kumar or Pawan, focus on this particular position. When Pawan was sitting, this position is 9th from the right. Now it is 11th from the left. So can we say this particular chair is such that it is 11th from the left, 9th from the right? So ranking from left plus ranking from right is equal to total number plus 1. This particular chair tell you that it is 11th from the left, and whereas it is already we know 9th from the right, x plus 1, 20, x plus 1, 1 this side. So x will be 20 minus 1. On this particular chair, when Pawan is sitting, this position is 9 from the right, and here this particular position is 11 from the left. If you interchange Pawan and Kumar. Done? Fine. Any other doubt from this test? Now calendar. जी
इस स्टेटमेंट अगर हमसे स्टेटमेंट 2 से क्वेश्चन नहीं सॉल्व होता है तो इनमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन हो सकता है? अगर इसको सॉल्व नहीं होता सेकंड वाले से तो
हाँ, तो बी आंसर हो जाएगा ना।
बी हो जाएगा ना।
हाँ। कैलेंडर टेक्स 10 and 17 एज ए डाउट. 10 and 17 काइंडली टेल मी अनुराग, 10 और 17 सेकंड पेज का देखो, कैलेंडर में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है, या होम असाइनमेंट में. डोंट वरी, नेक्स्ट वीक भी मैं एक डाउट सेशन रख लूंगा वेयर यू कैन आस्क मी डाउट रिलेटेड टू दिस थिंग्स. किसी ने नहीं भी सॉल्व किया बट कर लेना चाहिए था. इधर ऑन पेज नंबर 2 इसमें से 10 और 17 पूछना चाह रहे हो. होम असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, 8, 12, 18. अनुभव जोशी 4, 6 एक ही बार में लिख दो ना. पहले आपने लिखा 4, 6, 8, 20, 22, फिर लिख रहे हो 4, 8, 12, 18. अलग अलग लोग हैं कि दोनों सेम ही अनुभव जोशी. दो पीडीएफ कहाँ है? एक ही पीडीएफ है. कैलेंडर की दो पीडीएफ किसने शेयर किया? सिंगल पीडीएफ इज देयर. आई टेक 4, 8, 12, 18 होम असाइनमेंट. मेरे पास यही है. अब एक गड़बड़ हो गई. कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसे थे जो सबके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट थे बट कुछ लोग निकल चुके अब क्लास से. चलो कुछ तो ले ही लेता हूँ, बाकी जो बचेंगे क्या करूं. चलो जो है उनके लिए तो ले. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, इमेजिन दैट ए कैलेंडर ईयर देयर वर 436 days, 9 days a week. हाउ मेनी ऑड डेज वुड बी देयर? व्हाट इज ऑड डेज? एक्स्ट्रा डे अदर देन कंप्लीट वीक. तो इसको 9 से डिवाइड करना है और जो रिमाइंडर होगा वो आंसर आ जाएगा 4. अगर एक वीक में 9 दिन है, 436 दिन में कितने ऑड डेज होंगे? 436 को 9 से डिवाइड करके आंसर आ जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, if today is Tuesday, what day will be 2 year and 20 days from now? But we don't know about 2 year, whether this 2 year is normal year, 1 year normal year, 1 year leap year. That's why answer here is cannot be determined. Since year are not mentioned, that's why answer is cannot be determined. Next question number 12. I don't know who asked this question number 12. If January 1, 2008 is Tuesday, what about day of the week lie on January 1, 2009? 1st January 2008 Tuesday. What about 1st January 2009? This is leap year. Because of leap year, it is 2 odd days. Tuesday plus 2. Answer is Thursday. Answer is Thursday. Next question number 18. Today is Tuesday. After 61 days it will be. 61 days में extra day निकाल लो. If today is Tuesday, after 61 days, 61 divided by 7, what is the remainder? 5. Tuesday is 2. 2 plus 5, 7. Their answer here is Sunday. ठीक है. 21. I take question point number 21. ठीक है. 17. पहले मैं 21 ले लेता हूं, फिर उसके बाद जिसके जो बच जाएंगे बता देना. 21. हाउ मेनी डेज आर देयर इन 2x वीक? इट इज 2 मल्टीप्लाई नहीं है. राइट इट 2x वीक प्लस x डेज. In 1 week, how many days are there? 7. In 2 week, how many days are there? 14. तो वीक को डेज में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता है. तो इट इज 2x इंटू 7 प्लस x. तो इट इज 14x डेज प्लस x. इट इज 15x डेज. 15x डेज. हाँ जी. एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस अदर देन दिस जो मैं डिस्कस कर चुका हूं उसके अलावा? 17. ओके. वो तो इजी है यार. अनुभव आपको ट्राई करने चाहिए. 1 जनवरी 2016 पूछ रहा है. कितने ईयर? आप अनुभव क्या करोगे, आप टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे इन सबके सॉल्यूशन पहले मुझे भेजो टेलीग्राम पे. आई विल चेक. 10 and 17. भाई अब बिल्कुल बेसिक तो करने पड़ेंगे आपको. अब हर चीज बेसिक भी पूछोगे तो नहीं अनुभव. 1 जनवरी 2016 में तो दिक्कत नहीं आनी चाहिए यार. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 and 17. होम असाइनमेंट में और कोई क्वेश्चन? पहले होम असाइनमेंट देख लेते हैं. उसके तो ऑप्शन दिए ही नहीं ना. आंसर ऑप्शन दिए ही नहीं ना. उसके दिए हुए हैं. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 and 17. हाँ तो अनुभव आपने जो किया पहले वो टेलीग्राम पे भेज दो. उसमें गलतियां होंगी ना आपके ग्रुप वाले बता देंगे. ठीक है. हाँ भेज दो वो. 10 और 17 ले लेता हूँ. होम असाइनमेंट के क्वेश्चन पूछ लो. 10 17. ठीक है. पहले 10 और 17 ले लेता हूँ. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? 10 17. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 कह रहा है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए लीप ईयर. या तो आपने लेक्चर नहीं अटेंड किया या रिवाइज नहीं किया. क्यों? क्योंकि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए लीप ईयर. फॉर ए सेंचुरी ईयर वी डिवाइड बाय 400. तो 700 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 400. तो 700 इज नॉट ए लीप ईयर आउट ऑफ दिस. 17. What day of the week on 15th August 2015? What reference we will take? 1 January 2001. इस क्वेश्चन में रेफरेंस लेना आपने 1 जनवरी 2001. 1 जनवरी 2001 मंडे. इट इज आज 15th अगस्त 2015. 1 जनवरी 2001 से लेके 1 जनवरी 2015. देन 1 जनवरी टू 1 अगस्त 2015. So we will see total year 15 minus 1 14. Leap year 4 8 12. 3 leap year. 17 divided by 7 remainder 3 plus 3. We navigate through January, Feb, March, April, May, June, July. January 3 odd days, Feb 0, March 3, April 2, May 3, June 2, July 3. 3 6 8 11 13 16. 16 divided by 7 remainder 2 plus 2. 15 minus 1 14. 2 week 0 day 5. Monday plus 5 6. Answer is Saturday. हाँ जी. नहीं मेल मत करो. उस पर पीडीएफ भेज दो. क्या दिक्कत है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. What was the day of the week on 28th May 2008? तो क्या दिक्कत है? Take 1 January 2001 Monday as a reference. पहले आप जाएंगे 1 जनवरी 2008 तक. हाउ मेनी टोटल ईयर 7, हाउ मेनी लीप ईयर, अभी तक सिर्फ लीप ईयर 2004 है, 8 4 days डिवाइडेड बाय 7 रिमाइंडर 1, 2008 एज ए लीप ईयर मंथली में लेना, 1 जनवरी 2008 टू 1 मई 2008, क्योंकि 29 फेब जो है 8 की यहाँ क्रॉस हो रही है, जनवरी 3 odd days, फेब 1 odd day, मार्च 3, अप्रैल 2, 3 4 7 9, 9 divided by 7 remainder 2 plus 2, then 1st May to 28th May, so this is 28 minus 1 27 divided by 7 remainder 6 6 8 9, 9 divided by 7 2, मंडे में 2 ऐड करने से वेडनेसडे इज द आंसर। तो 2008 एज ए लीप ईयर मंथली में ले लो। ओके ओके चलो फाइन, ठीक है। अनुभव आप मेल कर दो, ठीक है, बट उसमें कुछ ना कुछ आपकी छोटी मोटी मिस्टेक्स होंगी। मेरे को ये था कि पीडीएफ टेलीग्राम पे भेज देते तो दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स भी आपको गाइड कर सकते थे, नो इश्यू। अब भेज दो, नेक्स्ट वीक जय सर जो डाउट सेशन लेंगे उसमें क्लियर कर देंगे, ठीक है। अब एक बार क्रॉस चेक कर लो अनुभव, जस्ट क्रॉस चेक योर आंसर्स, माइट बी हैव डन स्मॉल मिस्टेक ऑन दिस क्वेश्चंस, क्योंकि वो बड़े बेसिक क्वेश्चन है एंड वी हैव डन सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस। या तो लीप ईयर का पंगा कर रहे हो आप, बस लीप ईयर अगर नेविगेट कर रहे हो तो लीप ईयर एक ही बार काउंट करना है। हाँ बताओ अनुभव। जैसे मैंने ये किया ना, लीप ईयर 2008 है तो मैंने मंथली में काउंट किया, सिर्फ एक ही बार करना है। हाँ तो लीप ईयर ये ले लो, 2008 मैंने यहां ना लेके यहां लिया है क्योंकि यहां भी तो मंथली में आ रहा है। यू हैव टू काउंट लीप ईयर वंस, ठीक है। अगर ऐसा है तो लीप ईयर यहां 2008 को मंथली में लो और 2004 को ईयरली में लो, यू विल नॉट डू एनी मिस्टेक। आप लीप ईयर को दो दो बार काउंट कर रहे होंगे। ओके कर लेना एक बार ट्राई, नहीं तो नेक्स्ट वीक डाउट सेशन में पूछ लेना। ओके थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स। ठीक है एक बार ट्राई करना, लीप ईयर आपने दो बार काउंट कर लिया होगा, 2008 को जैसे ईयर में भी काउंट कर लिया होगा, मंथ में भी कर लिया होगा, बस ये इशू होगा। यू कैन क्रॉस चेक दैट। अदरवाइज जो नेक्स्ट वीक आपका मेंटर के साथ डाउट सेशन होगा, आई विल आस्क, ही विल टेक। अदरवाइज ट्यूसडे को क्लास में कुछ डाउट होंगे तो मैं भी ले दूंगा, नो इशू। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, कर दो क्लास एंड।